Welcome back. Myself Dr. Sharanya from New Roots Hair Clinic, Raipur. So today's topic is about PRP. So let us discuss about what is PRP, benefits and costing of PRP. First of all, what is PRP? PRP means platelet-rich plasma, which contains two major components like plasma and platelets. It is a type of blood cell which does hemostasis, thrombosis and healing process. It also has some components like growth factors which helps in cell reproduction and also encourages the hair growth and also helps in healing of uh, damaged area. So platelet-rich plasma is commonly known as PRP, which is a blood which contains concentrated platelets than normal. The increased concentration of growth factors in PRP helps in tissue regeneration and cell division, and also improves or encourages the hair growth by shifting the hair to anagen phase, that is growth phase. So it also contains proteins like platelet derivative growth factors, transforming growth factors, and endothelial growth factors, and epidermal growth factors. All these growth factors encourages the hair growth and also improves the cell division and stimulates the tissues. So now coming to benefits of PRP. So PRP mainly used in male pattern baldness, that is androgen alopecia. It also has preventing properties of hair loss and promotes the new hair growth. It also helps in or encourages the new hair growth in hair transplanted patients. It improves the donor area who has poor donor quality, and by giving the PRP injections surrounding hair follicles improves the circulation. So by doing this, thickness of the hair follicles improves, and also it encourages the hair growth or increases the diameter of existing hairs. Now let us discuss about steps of PRP therapy. In this, we withdraw 10 to 20 ml of blood from patients, and we send this sample to a device called centrifugase device. In this device, the sample gets spins at least 2 times. First spin is about 15 minutes at a speed of 1500 rpm. After spinning, the plasma gets separated from other components of blood, and it goes to second spin. In this spin, it is about 15 minutes of a speed of 3000 rpm. In this spin, the plasma gets separated in 3 layers, that is platelet poor plasma and platelet rich plasma. This platelet rich plasma is withdrawn in a syringe, and this is injected into patient's scalp. So now coming to who can take PRP and what is the cost of PRP. So PRP can be taken by any age groups and also like any gender, male or female. It mainly used in male pattern baldness. Coming to costing, it is ranges between 3,500 to 5,000. It depends upon the clinic. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on next video.